All right, so being recorded. The first thing I had brought up, and this came from a question with release managers, was the prioritization project that we have out there. I know it's been used as a way recently for some of the release managers to be able to look at the release blockers to have to what do I want to say to know where what they are in the release, right? Are there any pending release blockers or P zeros that they need to worry about? If we click on the link, I know there's a number of items that are out there that are have milestones. You know, just looking at that for the release blockers, none. That's good. But in terms of the P zeros, I see there's a number of them out there that have milestones set for 1.14, 1.13, 1.9. I'm just wondering if there should be a concerted effort for at least the P zeros for the work groups to go back through and either, update the milestones to something current, put them in the backlog, something like that. Just raising that up for awareness and to see if anybody had any discussion on that. I'm assuming maybe most work group leads have forgot or don't know about this. I mean,
that sounds reasonable to me. Clearly some of these are outdated. So
yeah, a P0 with nebulous future as a milestone doesn't quite seem like the right answer.
yeah.
But yes. So I guess a note maybe for work group leads to go out and at least take a look at the ones that are labeled for their work groups. Any other discussion? Otherwise, I will let Sam go next.
Oh yeah, thanks, Eric. So not a whole lot to say, just the standard pre-branch cut announcement. We have 115 and we're planning on cutting next Monday. So just working group leads, be aware if there are features in flight that need to be merged, same story as usual. Try and have the features merged before the branch cut, or else reach out to the 115 release channel or myself or any of the release managers for more discussion on if we need to push anything back. Yeah, the release is expected to come out on August 24th, and I will update if anything changes on that front. And that's it from the release announcement standpoint.
All right, thanks, Sam. I don't see anything else in the agenda. Does anybody else? I was just gonna quick go through and see if there was anything that we sort of left lingering. I don't really see anything. Quick glance. Anybody else have anything they want to discuss? Francis, do you have anything you want to mention? Either release manager, or anything else related to future releases?
We have a full slew of release managers this time, so thank you. We got Sam, and then we also got Daniel, Ziyang, and Ariane from Google, so doing the shadowing. So for now, I think we're good on the release manager side. So one thing I just want to quickly mention, the Monday, August 1st date for 115 branch cut is 1 week later than I originally proposed, which means I will push the official release date out by 1 week as well. So that was originally planned for August the 16th. I will subsequently push that out to the 23rd.
Okay. And I guess the only other comment I might make to Sam and the release managers is just to make sure that I forget where we necessarily put the branch cut is upcoming. If it's I think there's usually a discuss announcement maybe, and maybe, I don't know if there's something that would show up in Slack just for those people who aren't necessarily on this call.
Sounds good. I'll do a Slack announcement. For the discuss post, if I remember correctly, we normally do that after the branch cut. Or do we also do an announcement prior?
In the old days, we used to do 3 of them, right? We're going to have a branch cut, we're starting the branch cut, and we're done with the branch cut. And then usually I think we're done with the branch cut, and then maybe we have a build. So I don't know if that would be, you know, a 4th one or part of the 3rd one, but I don't know what would make the most sense. I mean, certainly announcing one beforehand would make sense so that people have a chance to get stuff done.
Yeah. Okay, cool. I'll do a discuss post today and also a Slack announcement before, and then we'll figure out the rest of it later.
All right, that's all I have. Nobody else has anything. I guess we can call it another week. All right, thanks everyone for joining. We'll talk to some of you next week.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.